We can perform the activity related to the electrolysis of the water in very easy and simple way. For this activity, I have taken 1 glass of water in which I have already dissolved 1 pinch of the salt. Secondly, I have taken this battery. This is the positive terminal and the negative terminal of the battery, which I have labeled already, and 2 wires I have connected with this battery. Third equipment that I have taken is these graphite electrodes. I have taken these 2 pencils and I have sharpened these pencils from both ends, as we know that pencils are having a presence of graphite, and graphite is a good conductor of electricity. As graphite is consists of carbon, so it does not react with electrolyte or even do not undergo any oxidation or reduction reaction easily. For the easy understanding or better understanding, I have already labeled these 2 pencils. This pencil I will connect to positive terminal of the battery. It is indicating as a anode, and oxygen gas releases at this anode. Another pencil which I will connect with the negative terminal of the battery act as the cathode, and where hydrogen gas is released. Now I will dip these 2 pencils in the water in which I have dissolved the salt. This is a complete apparatus you can see, and I have fixed this apparatus within 2-3 minutes only. This is very easy to prepare. Now I will connect this battery with this tip of the pencil. Now you can see that I have connected the positive terminal of the battery with the positively charged electrode and the negative terminal of the battery to this pencil, that is cathode and that is anode. Now we will see the formation of the bubbles in the water, which are indicating the presence of the hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. We can easily see that there is a formation of the bubbles of gases in large amount. On this side the number of bubbles is large, on that side the formation of bubbles is very less, because on the cathode side, as this is a cathode, on cathode there is a release of the hydrogen gas which is present in large amount in water, and the oxygen gas is present in less amount, so the bubbles are very less on the anode where oxygen gas is releasing. So you can perform this activity very easily.